In this video, I want to talk about direct modeling and counting strategies for multiplication. Let's start with direct modeling. Children first learn to start solving multiplication problems by modeling each of the groups using counters or tally marks or some other representation and counting the total number of objects. So let's look at an example of this. Miss Jones bought 7 boxes of cupcakes. There were 4 cupcakes in each box. How many cupcakes did she buy? So we know she has 7 boxes, so we'll go ahead and draw 7 of these boxes. In each box, we had 4 cupcakes. So 4 in this box, 4 in this one, 4 in this one, and we keep going. We put 4 cupcakes in each box. And this would be a direct modeling strategy. From there, we could just add up to see how many we have. We know we have 4 here. This makes 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So we have our solution of 28. Just like with addition and subtraction, children slowly replace direct modeling with counting strategies. However, it's more difficult to use counting strategies for multiplication than it is for addition and subtraction. So counting strategies for multiplication usually involve some form of skip counting, and this is usually how we learn multiplication facts very early on, is skip counting. As an example, if a student wants to do 5 times 7, they would count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. And that was 7 times that we skip counted. So the answer must be 35. And we can attach a visual aid to skip counting as well. And to do a visual aid, we have an array. And we can count down. Here's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. And students can even cover up the array with a sheet of paper and then uncover more and more as they count while sliding down the paper to help them visualize this. It may seem that our single-digit multiplication facts should simply be memorized. However, that's not what we should actually do. The Common Core standards indicate a process of learning multiplication facts by learning the relationships among the facts. As an example, if a student knows that 7 times 5 is 35, then they should also be able to figure out that 5 times 7 is 35 using the commutative property. The student might then be able to figure out that 6 times 7 by thinking that it's 6 groups of 7. Well, that's one more group of 7. So 6 times 7 is 7 more than 35, which would be 42. This shows that we can reason algebraically by applying properties of arithmetic to determine our multiplication facts.